Hey, what's up everyone? I'm gonna talk about a new bug in iOS 11.2.6 allow strangers to read your private notifications. If you are new to my channel, it's all about Apple news, devices, systems, doing app reviews, tutorials, and a little unboxing. Please don't forget to subscribe. The latest iOS release from Apple is iOS 11.2.6. Has a Siri Bug, which allow someone to read your hidden notifications content without unlock your iPhone by asking Siri to read the notifications, and Siri does read all notifications, including the hidden ones. I am talking about I'm talking on type of notifications which appears on your iPhone lock screen with no preview. Siri should not read them, but Siri does read and treat them as normal notifications. All apps affected by this bug. Only the Messages app notifications are not affected by this bug. That's bad because you set notifications setting for a specific app to don't show preview on lock screen to avoid anyone wake up your iPhone and read your notifications for that app. But sadly, anyone can read them by asking Siri to read the notifications. Apple already said the fix is coming, but meanwhile, disable Siri in lock screen to avoid someone read your private notifications. We are waiting for Apple to release the update. Apple maybe will release a new update, iOS 11.2.7. We don't know. To fix this update should be fix the issue before 27th March event. Check my last videos on Apple March event. Will pop up links on the upper right of this video. I covered all expected from Apple in March event. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the ring to stay notified for my coming videos. Let me know in the comments what you think about Apple updates this year. Be safe and take care everyone. Goodbye.